There's a faceless YouTube channel with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, and 0 experience that crossed 1 million views in under 90 days. No face, no voice, no expensive camera, just AI tools that almost nobody is talking about yet. And before you think this is some 1 in a million lucky break, it's not. Right now, dozens of small, brand-new channels are quietly blowing up using this exact same approach. Some are pulling 500,000 views a month, others are already monetized. And the crazy part? Most of them started with nothing but a free laptop and a few hours a week. So what's actually going on? Here's the truth. We are living through the biggest shift in content creation in the last decade. AI in 2026 is not what it was 2 years ago. It's not just a chatbot you ask random questions to. It's a full content machine. And the people who figured out how to actually use it, not just play with it, are turning it into real, consistent income. The demand for this type of content is exploding right now. Viewers want information fast. They want it visual. They want it short and clear. And AI makes that easier than ever to produce. Meanwhile, most people are still stuck thinking AI is complicated, expensive, or only for tech experts. That's exactly why the competition is still low. Most creators haven't made the switch yet, which means right now, in 2026, is honestly the best possible time to start. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't need any editing skills. You don't need a microphone. You don't need Premiere Pro or Final Cut or any of those tools. Everything I'm about to show you can be done with free or near-free AI tools that anyone can use, even if you've never made a video in your life. I actually tested this myself. I put together a complete faceless video, script, voiceover, visuals, and captions in about 25 minutes. Not hours, not days, 25 minutes. And that video has been pulling in views on autopilot ever since. So let me walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1 is picking your niche and angle. AI tools like ChatGPT make this incredibly fast. Just tell it your topic and ask it to generate 10 high-retention video ideas. You'll have more content ideas than you can use in a month in under 2 minutes. Step 2 is your script. Same tool, give it your idea, tell it to write a punchy, curiosity-driven YouTube script, and it handles the heavy lifting. You just refine it slightly to make it sound like you. Step 3, and this is the part most people miss, is the voiceover. Tools like 11 Labs or even free options like Murph can generate a natural-sounding AI voice in seconds. No recording, no microphone. Just paste your script and hit generate. Step 4 is visuals. This is where it gets really fun. Tools like Runway, Pika, or even Canvas AI features let you generate video clips, animated scenes, or scroll-stopping visuals, all without filming anything yourself. Step 5 is putting it all together. CapCut or Clipchamp, both free, let you combine your voiceover, visuals, and auto captions into a polished, professional-looking video. Drop in some background music from YouTube's free audio library, and you're done. That's the entire workflow. Idea, script, voice, visuals, edit, upload, repeat. And the next step is even easier than you think, because once you've done this once, the second video takes half the time. The third video is even faster. You start building a system, not just a single video. Look, the opportunity in front of you right now is real. The tools exist, the demand is there, the competition is still manageable. Everything is lined up perfectly for someone who's willing to just start. You now have the exact process that faceless creators are using right now to grow fast and get paid. The only difference between them and you is that they started. So go start. Your first AI video could be live before the end of this week.